baby. But I wish I could be mine, baby.
Hey, it's Sunday and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today, I'm back at it again with the curly hair. Today, I'm going to be installing and reviewing this curly wig from DYHAIR777. The name kind of sounds like an 11-year-old's AOL email address, but whatever. This hair is bomb, so I already have it on. I am excited for two reasons. Number one, it's 24 inches. Yes. Number two, this is Peruvian hair. Yes, y'all, Peruvian. I think I always get Brazilian, and it's not that I choose the Brazilian, that's just what they always have. I used to wear Peruvian like all the freaking time because it's a lot thicker, and I don't know, it just lasted longer for me. Like, I felt like Brazilian hair was really thin and brittle and light, so it's like great in the beginning, but towards the end, you know, it starts to fall apart. I found that, for me at least, Peruvian hair lasted longer, so I'm very excited to be trying some Peruvian hair. Let me just give you the details. This is something on my phone again. Okay, hold on. This is an 180% density wig. I know, 180. I'm drowning, y'all. I'm drowning. Deep wave lace front wig. It's 3 by 13 inches of parting space, 24 inches in a color 1B with a medium cap size. Now, another thing, for this to be a medium cap size, it fits so well. It came in this cute little bag. I really like the little afro girl. I might actually use this for like grocery shopping or something. It just looks like I can use this for something else. There's like hair care instructions with this dope like little character girl on there. I'm feeling her. She looked like she going places. Again with the cheap eyelashes. These curls feel like butter. I don't know how to explain, but they feel freaking amazing. And I kept running my hair through the front of it so much, and I was trying not to do it so I can show you on video like how nice and uniform the curls are. So I managed to save a few curls in the back. If you can see, these curls are so beautiful. I messed up the other ones because I just been playing in it. Hair quality gets an A+ from me. This hair is amazing. Peruvian, I don't know if it's the Peruvian, I don't know if it's the company, but it feels like butter. Guys, I put no products in this hair. The curls come back together, if that makes any sense. Like other curly hair, if I brush it out, it gets really big, really frizzy, and the curls never go back unless I wet it. I haven't wet this at all. I haven't done anything, and the curls just go back to like a uniformed, clumped way, which I really like how they stay together. So impressive. Yeah, these curls are just amazing for staying together. Like, it's not getting all frizzy and like just out of control. This one has a comb on the side, a comb in the middle, and a comb on the other side, adjustable straps, and a comb in the back, and lace in the back. So if you wanted to wear it up in a ponytail, you could. Not that I would, but you could. For once, I did not sew in an elastic band. I wanted to see how well that got to be glue would work putting down the tabs. Let's just say I need an elastic band. Yeah, that failed me. I cut off the lace, and I didn't bleach the knots because the knots in the front seemed to be bleached. The knots in the middle, like towards the back, weren't, but the ones in the front seemed to be bleached. So I was like, I just don't need to do this. So I went in and I put some foundation over the lace just to help it blend in a little bit better. I have a little side part going on here. And then I went in with that got to be glued, and I just sprayed down the ends to hopefully hold it down. It did come with baby hairs. It was also slightly plucked. You would need to go in and pluck the hairline a little bit more if you plan on wearing it more back, but I didn't do any plucking, not one hair. The only thing that I did was I cut the baby hairs a little bit shorter, and then I went in with some eco styling gel and I slicked down the edges, and that was it. That was it. This is what it looks like out the box, the bag. This is what it looks like. Nothing done, nothing real done. Just out the bag on my head. No water, no products, no washing, no styling. This is how it looks with me doing nothing. This hair is bomb. The only thing that I don't like about this hair the parting space. I'm a little spoiled. I like my 6 inches of parting space, so 3, not really feeling that. But I noticed for curly hair, because of like the volume, you really don't need as much parting space as you do if this was a straight unit. If this was a straight unit, I really can't pull off no 3 inches of parting space. Literally the only downside that I have to this hair so far. Like, I literally could not think of anything. 24 inches is like so perfect. If I stretch it out, it goes even farther. Like, I swear that's more than 24 inches. It is layered though, so all of it doesn't go that low. Even though I don't want to, I think I'm gonna spray it with some water just so we can see what happens, because I really don't know what's gonna happen. It's cold. Oh, okay. I'm back. I just wet it like a lot. And it brought the volume down quite a bit. So, it's like a completely different look just with some water. Whoa, okay. So this is what it looks like. Wet! The volume has gone down tremendously. Guys, so pretty. Love how these curls stay together. Ah, so nice. Okay, so that is it. If you have any questions, information will be down below. If you like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe so I can make more videos. And yeah, see you guys next time.